Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Ross, and I'm participating in Active Learning Week. I am a faculty fellow in California State University Fresno's Discovery tablet program. Discovery is a one-to-one mobile device program where each student has a mobile device that they use in the classroom to interact with each other and to create group activities and group work. I'm here at the Salt Palace Convention Center in Salt Lake City at the 2017 synchronous National Conference. Because I'm here, I'm not going to be in class today, so I'll be interacting with my students remotely using the Zoom app. For Active Learning Day, I'll be using a genetics jigsaw. In a jigsaw activity, multiple groups of students become experts in separate topics related to a common theme, and then new groups of students are formed with one individual from each of those disciplinary expertise groups. And those students in the new groups then work together, combining their expertise and teaching each other to solve a larger problem. The topic of today's jigsaw activity is on genetically modified organisms. I'm asking the groups to create their own definitions and then exchange ideas with other groups to see if certain examples of genetically modified organisms match with their definitions. At the start of class, I distributed a document to every student. This document contains information about when and what to do, including group work. And at several predefined times during class, we all got together in Zoom to chat and summarize. During class, I led group discussions using Zoom. We also used the chat window to interact with each other and to share information. Student groups first worked together to create a definition of a genetically modified organism. In this jigsaw activity, students from each group would choose to watch one of 3 different videos: a video about potatoes, lactose tolerance, or rice. Here are the URLs for those videos. This is a culturally responsive jigsaw activity because these 3 examples are relevant to the cultures of students in my classroom. For full disclosure, I became an Apple Distinguished Educator in 2017, and I use Apple's Clips app to create video content for my active learning classes. After watching the videos, students explain key concepts from their area of expertise to each other. Then the groups agree whether their 3 examples of possible genetically modified organisms have to do with a mutation that causes a protein sequence change or impacts gene expression. At the end of the day, my students had conducted several types of active learning. Before using synchronous online instruction, it's also a good idea to spend in-class time with your students practicing using Zoom. And also make sure to develop backup plans in case of technical difficulties. This word cloud of student definitions of genetically modified organisms shows that at the end of the day, many of the groups converged on similar concepts in their definitions. Active Learning Day 2017 was an outstanding success, and now I'm thinking about what to do for next year's Active Learning Week. For more best practices in course augmentation with technology, follow me on Twitter @RossBiology. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to be in touch if you have any questions.